Hey colorettes and color studs, it's me Debbie and welcome to another ColorIt tutorial featuring the new ColorIt Watercolor Brush Pens. Refilling your watercolor brush pens. The great thing about ColorIt's watercolor brush pens is that they're refillable. You don't have to worry about these pens drying out because you've got your refill inks to bring them back to life. This saves you a lot of money in the long run and you'll have more fun coloring, lettering, and doing some awesome designs and artworks. Refilling your pens is super easy. Take out your brush pens and refills and I'll show you how it's done. Let's take the refill for Luxurious Lime with color code C143. Opening the refill box, you'll see that it's got an extra cardboard flap so that the ink doesn't spill. The bottle is tapered at the end and right there you'll see the color name and code. Now let's look for the corresponding brush pen, C143. C143. Okay, found it! It's important to make sure that your refill and brush pens match. You don't want to put the wrong refill in the wrong pen. You can double check the color code and color name, which can both be found on the pen's body and on the refill as well. Looking at the bottom of the pen, you'll see that you can twist it open. There are directions here to make things easier for you guys. So let's rotate to the right and pop the cap open. Step 3. Take your refill and carefully drop some ink into your pen. Don't worry if you get some ink on your fingers. It's non-toxic and water-based, so you can just wash it off afterward. If you don't want to make a mess, just have some wet wipes or tissue nearby. If you just want to refresh your pens, 5 drops of ink should do. If they're completely dry, you can go for 10 drops. Once done, carefully twist the bottom back on. Now you're ready to color again. See, refilling your watercolor brush pens is a breeze. If you already have your watercolor brush pen set, don't forget to grab the refills as well so you can have a better and longer coloring experience. That's it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you had lots of fun. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more awesome content from us. If you have any comments and suggestions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below because we love talking to you guys. This has been Debbie. Have fun with your brush pens and coloring pages, and as always, free your creativity.